Hello guys. Namaste, Perev, Ndiepi, Sanbonani. Anyway, we have an HP laptop here. It's not turning on at all. Let's go ahead. Let's see what exactly are we dealing with. Got some LEDs here, small LEDs, for which I believe they are there for charging purposes. So on this machine, when you connect the charger, yo, Aibo. Something is spinning. Okay. Let me show you what is our problem. Same, they did show me this. So let me show you. So that cap right there, the one causing that issue. So let's check for short when it's compared to ground. Put one prop to ground and you touch the short. There's no short. No short. It's not shorted on the other side. But how's this possible? So let's remove. So I'm gonna remove both MOSFETs. I'm gonna remove both capacitors. They don't look good at all. Okay, this cap. Okay, I can see what exactly is going on here. The trackpad got ripped off. Okay, so what can we do here? We need to connect the charger again, but let's check for a short to ground and convert to ground. Let's check for short when the whole machine is compared ground. No short, no short. Okay, seems to be fine. Let's wait for the board to cool down and then we can go ahead and connect the charger again. But I had something bent, had a spike, but I guess that cap was getting destroyed. That's why it was tracking and making that pa sound. Okay, let's connect the charger again. Let's go ahead. It's not turning on. Okay, let's check for the 19 volts. We do have the 19 volts. Okay, guys, then I don't think this is a power button. Then I need to find the power button because we do have the 19 volts. I hope you can see. Let me show it to you again. 19.8 volt. What about the 3.3 and the 5 volt? Let's see. No volt. No volt. No volt. No volt. No volt. 12 volt. 5 volt. 3.3 volt. So let's see. Okay, I got the power button. Where do we connect the power button? PW, this is the power button. Okay, let's see. Okay, I saw a light turning on. Okay, there we go. The machine is turning on. Okay, the machine is working. It's now turning on. Let's connect. Even here, you can see the lights. Now let's connect the RAMs. Give me one RAM. And give me a string. The string, yeah, give me the string and the RAMs. Yeah, the string. You can separate it if you can. All right, guys, now we have the string, we have everything, and the string has been connected. So let's see. We do get a light and then goes away. Press the power button. The machine not turning on. I believe this RAM is not supported, something like that. There is a light. Press the power button. There we go. The light changed from orange to white and then back to orange with no white. The fan is spinning, but nothing on the screen. Let's try this frame one more time. Let's clean it. Now it doesn't boot at all, at all, at all. Two lights, white and orange. Let's try this one. This is the original RAM, right? Original one. All right, still doing the same thing. Guys, do you think the BIOS is corrupted or not? I'm starting to think that the BIOS might be the problem. Well, let's clean the RAM slots. Let's try this one. All right, it's changed from orange to white. Now not going back to white. I think it should turn to orange to white, something like that. No ways, guys. This is driving me crazy. One way, one way, one way. Oh, they should be. For the match. Then it's flickering. Okay, brother. Alright, guys. There we go. It's turning on now. Means it need a supported RAM. And again, it keeps on. It says the system time is invalid. The time clock lost power. All those things. But the machine is now working 100%.